Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Airtable for personal finance investment tracking. First up, you'll need to create a new base on Airtable. Just click on New Base, select Start from Scratch, and name it Personal Finance. This serves as the foundation of your investment tracking system. Next, let's set up the main table. Click on Add a Table and name it Investments. Here's where we'll input all our investments details. This helps us because it centralizes all our investment data, making it easier to manage. Now that we've done that, let's create columns. You'll need columns for investment name, investment type, cost basis, current value, and return. The reason we do this is to ensure we track the most critical aspects of our investments. The next big step is all about linking and lookup fields. Create a new table and name it Transactions. Then, link the Investments column from the Investments table to the Transactions table. This helps us because it allows us to track individual transactions for each investment. Now, let's create a lookup field. In the Transactions table, hit Add a Field. Choose Lookup as the field type and select Investment Type from the Investments table. This is important as it allows the Transactions table to automatically pull in the investment type from our Investments table, saving us time and reducing errors. Finally, we need to set up our views. Create a new view in the Investments table and name it Portfolio Overview. This would give us a bird's-eye view of our investments, helping us to monitor performance and make informed decisions. And that's it. You've set up your personal finance investment tracking on Airtable. Remember, the beauty of this setup lies in its flexibility. You can tweak and adjust it to fit your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and keep investing smart.